How do you track an action a visitor to your landing page or to your capture page has taken? That's the question we shall be looking today. Today we shall be putting a pixel on our landing page which will enable us to determine if a visitor or a customer who comes to our website or who comes to our landing page has performed a certain action. Maybe we want this visitor to click and watch a video. Maybe we want this visitor to click and download a document. Okay, so we shall be looking into this question, and I shall be showing you in this video how to place this tracking pixel, okay, on your landing page and on your capture page, so that you can know if this customer or this visitor has performed the action you wanted him or her to perform. Okay, so let's go right now into my computer and let me show you. Stay tuned to the end of this video so that you can see this and you can learn this, and I can show this to you. Okay, so here we are on my ClickFunnels on my computer. This is a funnel I am using for tutorial purposes. Okay, so I will use this funnel to show you how to place a tracking pixel to determine an action a visitor will take when he or she lands on this funnel or on the landing page of this funnel. Okay, so this is the opt-in page. Let me click here. So this is how the landing page looks like. Okay, if I were to send a report, a free report to someone, okay, so and someone goes to this link and they come or they land on this page to get this free report. Okay, so they will put in their email, they will put in their name, they will put in their email, and they will click to download the free report. Okay, so how do I know, how do I track, how do I know if this person or how many people, or if they really clicked on this link to download the free report? Okay, so I'm going to show you now how to put this tracking pixel to determine if they took this action. Okay, so let's go back into the editing page. So this is the opt-in page. Okay, as you can see, this funnel has two pages, the opt-in page and thank you page. Okay, the opt-in page, they put in their email, they put in their name, they put in their email, and then it takes them to the thank you page. Okay, so we are going to build a thank you page. We're going to build a thank you page. Let's just build a simple thank you page for this funnel. Okay, these are the various templates for thank you page. Let's just look for a simple thank you page. Use this one. Okay, let's preview this one. Okay, you can see, say thanks, here is the report, download now the report. Okay, so now how do we track if this visitor on our landing page really clicked to download this report? Maybe it's another landing page. They wanted to purchase something. Maybe you wanted them to watch a video. How do you track to know if really they landed on your page? They give you their email, because some people will land on your page, they will fill in their email, okay, and maybe something will distract them. They will not actually click to download the report. They will not actually click to watch the video you want them to watch. They will not actually click to purchase the item you want them to purchase. Okay, maybe they got carried away, they got distracted, something happened, or maybe they just decided not to purchase, not to download, or not to watch the video. Okay, so now you won't know. You actually see that this number of people, okay, they landed on your page, but the actions the number of people took, it's not commensurate. Okay, it's not commensurate with the number of people that landed on this page. So this is where your tracking pixel comes in. Okay, this is where you know if this person has really clicked to download this report, or this person has clicked to watch this video or click to purchase anything. It depends on the landing page, it depends on the capture page, it depends on what this landing page is all about. Okay, so that's the purpose of this video. And now I'm going to go now to Clickmagick, because I use Clickmagick. Okay, Clickmagick is a platform and it's a tool which offer tracking services. Okay, this is Clickmagick. This is how Clickmagick looks like. Okay, you can create for yourself an account with Clickmagick to track your links, to track in fact, it is to track your links, to they say track and optimize all your marketing all in one place. Okay, so Clickmagick offers you this possibility to track your links, to put tracking pixels on your landing pages, and to actually know what's happening with your links. Okay, so there is a link below. Check in the description section and click on the link to create for yourself a free account with a free trial with Clickmagick. Okay, I think they give like 14 days free trial. Okay, so click on the link in the description section and create for yourself an account with Clickmagick. Okay, so now let me log in into Clickmagick. All right. Okay, yeah, this is my Clickmagick dashboard. Okay, so let's go to tools. Okay, click on tools, batch editor, custom domain manager, format setup, IP tools, testing, tracking pixels. Okay, you come to tracking pixel, you click on tools and you come to tracking pixel. Okay, once you've created your account, you want I think before you want to create a tracking pixel, okay, I think it's better to first of all create a tracking link. Okay, you need to create a tracking link for the link you want to place your pixel to. Okay, so you want to first of all create a link. Okay, so now you come now and you create a tracking pixel, so it will enable you to see how many people took actions you wanted them to take. Okay, let's just say you wanted them to download the report as seen here in our funnel. Okay, you wanted them to download the report. Okay, how many people they came to your landing page? Okay, so now they came now after they put in their email, they came now to this thank you page. Okay, how many people really clicked to download this free report? Okay, so you should create a link, okay, to track this. Okay, in my previous videos I showed you how to create landing pages. I showed you how to collect links, the links you would use to create your tracking with it. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to show you how to create this tracking pixel. Okay, you can go back and watch my previous videos and you would see how to create a landing page, how to take the link for this landing page and you create a tracking link. Okay, now after you've created a tracking link, this is where you want to create a tracking pixel to see the actions which a visitor or a customer has performed on this landing page. Okay, so you are tracking your link, you're tracking to see how many people actually came to this link, to this landing page. Then you are tracking the actions they took on this landing page. So it's very important. It's very important to have all these statistics together as a marketer. Okay, now you come to tracking pixels, you come to pixel builder. You click on pixel builder. Okay, now what are you tracking for? This here, they say track pixel builder. Okay, build your pixel. What do you want to track? Do you want to track actions? Do you want to track engagement? Do you want to track sales? Okay, so here you can click here to learn more about pixel building. Okay, they will tell you more about actions, they will tell you more about engagement, tell you more about sales. Okay, now you see optional reference value. Okay, reference value you want to put actions, take actions, and that's just it. I'm not going to put any reference value. Okay, I'm not going to put any reference value. So this is the link you're going to collect. You're going to copy this link. Click, you copy this link. Okay, you come back to ClickFunnels. Okay, you come back to ClickFunnels. There is our thank you page. we want to put on a thank you page because it's always good to put on the thank you page, because you want to see if the person who landed on your landing page went through the funnel and actually perform the action, like downloading the free report. Okay, so there's no need putting on the opt-in page. As you can see, there's no need putting the tracking pixel on the opt-in page, because you already have created a tracking link for the opt-in page. Okay, the link you shared, the link you gave out, the link maybe you place on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Okay, you already created tracking for it, so anybody who clicks on that link, your tracking is going to show. But now you want to determine, you want to know this number of people who clicked on your link, okay, maybe on YouTube, on Facebook, did they really perform the action? Did they really click to download the report? Did they really click to download the video? Did they really click to purchase what you wanted them to purchase? Okay, so that's the essence. So now you come to settings, you would come to tracking code, and here you will just drop your tracking code. Okay, drop your tracking pixel, you drop your tracking pixel and you close it and you save. Okay, remember to save. Click here and you save. Click here and you save. Always remember to save. If you don't save, it's not going to work. Okay, so that pixel. Okay, and let's go now into Clickmagick. I'm going to show you some links. Okay, so these are some links I created for some funnels I created in ClickFunnels. Okay, so I placed a tracking pixel. Okay, let's just say for this link, let's just say affiliate business training. Okay, so I shared this link, and actually the total number of clicks, because I am tracking the number of clicks. Okay, the total number of clicks is 5 clicks. Okay, unique clicks. Okay, as you can see here, unique clicks, it's 4 clicks, which means I have 5 clicks, but I have 4 unique clicks. Okay, this one is just like flag clicks, it's not important. Okay, so now the actions, this is what we are tracking. This is the purpose of the tracking pixel we are building. Okay, the action, you see 4 unique clicks, as you can see here, 4 unique clicks and 4 actions taken. Okay, which means these 4 unique clicks and these 4 people, they perform the action I wanted them to perform. So that's where the tracking pixel comes in. So that's just it about putting a tracking pixel on your landing page using ClickFunnels. Okay, it's very important to track this, and as a marketer you want to know all the statistics. Okay, so I hope I was able to show you. I hope this video helped you. I hope you were able to learn from this, and if you've not yet created an account with Clickmagick, there's a link below. Click on it, get yourself a 14 days free trial with Clickmagick, and you start using Clickmagick to track your links, to create pixels for your landing pages. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to click on the subscription button below to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the like button if this video was of value to you, and also click the notification bell. I'll be putting up more videos, and you'll be notified when I put these videos. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.